One, halogen derivatives of the unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated is nothing but having the double bond or triple bond in that. Till now we have gone through the classification on the saturated carbons. Now halogen derivatives of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. So what is this halogen derivatives of unsaturated hydrocarbon? Replacement of some hydrogen atoms in alkenes and alkynes by some halogen yields these compounds. That is nothing but till now the same process. We have replaced halogens with the hydrogens. So that is in the alkanes. Alkanes is said to be saturated. Now we are talking about the unsaturated. That is nothing but the halogens are replaced in the place of hydrogen in alkenes and alkynes. Let us see how they can be classified. Here I'll take alkene CH2 double bond CH2. This CH2 double bond CH2 name is called ethene. In this, one of the hydrogen is replaced with the halogen, then that will be CH2 double bond CHX. So here this is called, this group CH2 double bond CHX, this group is called vinyl group. We call the CH2 double bond CH is called vinyl group. The CH2 double bond CHX is called vinyl halide. This is called vinyl halide. And we are taking one more, that is CH2 double bond CH single bond CH3. This one, in this hydrogen we are replacing with the halogen, then we are calling CH2 double bond CH CH2X. This is called allyl halide. This is called allyl halides. So what is this vinyl halide? What is allyl halide? How can we explain this? Let us write the hybridization for the CH2 double bond CH2. Hydrogens hybridization is all the two hydrogens and only one sigma bond out of this. So its hybridization is sp2. Here also two hydrogens means two sigma bonds. Here out of double bond, one sigma bond, one pi bond. In hybridization we have to calculate sigma bond only. So one sigma bond, two hydrogens with two sigma bonds. Total number of sigma bonds are 3. Then the hybridization is sp2. Now come to CH2, the same reason. Here also sp2 hybridization. Here 1, 2, 3. Here also sp2 hybridization. But here 3 hydrogens are 3 single bonds, that is 3 sigma bonds. And this is one more sigma bond. Total 4 sigma bonds. So hybridization is sp3. So now we can define vinyl halides and allyl halides. Vinyl halide is nothing but the halogen is replaced with the sp2 carbon, double bond attached to the sp2 carbon. The halogen is replaced, such are said to be vinyl halogens. Vinylic carbon, that is one of the carbon atom in the C double bond C, like we can take vinyl. What is meant by allylic? The halogen is substituted to the sp3 carbon which is attached to the sp2. Here halogen attached to sp2 carbon only. Those are called vinyl halides. Vinyl halides. Here halogen attached to the sp3 carbon which is attached to sp2 carbon. That is said to be allyl halide. So here I am taking CH2 double bond CH2Cl. Here chlorine attached to sp2 carbon, so it is said to be vinyl chloride. Here I am taking CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2Cl. This is halogen attached carbon is sp3 carbon. That sp3 carbon attached to the sp2. So this is called allyl chloride. This is called allyl chloride. This is called vinyl chloride. This is called allyl chloride. This is the classification of unsaturated compounds. Not only the straight chain, we can take the cyclic compounds also. Cyclic compounds also comes under the vinyl halides and allyl halides. Let us see. This is one more example, that is Here I have take the halogen. Just check the hybridization of halogen attached to carbon. This is the halogen attached to this carbon. This carbon's hybridization is sp2. This carbon hybridization is sp2. So halogen attached to sp2 carbon. So it is said to be vinyl halide, vinyl chloride, cyclovinyl chloride, like also we can tell. And also we can go for the sp2 carbon, that is nothing but the one more example here I am taking. Halogen attached to the sp3 carbon which is attached to the sp2 carbon. So this is said to be allyl chloride. This is said to be allyl cyclo. This is said to be cyclo allyl halides. Like this is the halogen derivatives of what is vinyl halide and what is allyl halide based on its classification. These allylic vinylic are said to be the common names for this. So CH2 double bond CH2, generally what is its IUPAC name? Halogen attached to the carbon 1 2. So 1 chloroethene we can say. This one can said to be, this one we have to give 1 2 3. So 3 chloro prop2ene will be its nomenclature. So this is the classification based on the number of halogens attached to the hydrocarbons. Now come to the next part is nothing but the nomenclature. Now I am going to the next part, that is nomenclature. Here number of halogens attached to the carbon is given the classification. The next one is nomenclature. So what is its nomenclature? Here we can name like one carbon is meth, 2 carbons is eth, 3 carbons is prop. That root word we should remember. And halogens attaching we'll write as halo. Halogens will take mostly as the prefixes only. Halogens cannot write as the suffixes. They'll be not the main chain group, like they'll be considered as the branches like here. So in common system, alkyl part is named first, followed by the name of the halogen. Let us see the name of the some compounds which are in common name and which are having the IUPAC name. See here primary, secondary, tertiary also we should know. See here CH3Cl. What is the name of this one? Methyl chloride. Methyl chloride, it is its common name. And what is its IUPAC name? It is common name and IUPAC name. It is called chloromethane is its IUPAC name. Methyl chloride is its common name. CH3, CH2, Cl if you take, then it is ethyl chloride is its common name. Chloroethane is its IUPAC name. Chloroethane is its IUPAC name. Here this is the primary, only we can call it is methyl chloride. Whereas come to it is primary. Primary is nothing but chlorine attached to carbon attached to one more carbon. So we can say it is as primary alkyl halides. Like here I'll take CH3, CH2, Cl. One of the hydrogen here I replaced with the CH3. I am giving the numbering C here. So CH3, CH, CH3 having halogen. Halogen attached to the second carbon. While writing the IUPAC name, we have to take the straight chain. So 1, 2, 3. So what we can write the IUPAC name? 2-chloropropane. So what is its IUPAC name? 2-chloropropane. But what is its the common name is important. This is called isopropyl group. You should remember what is it called? Isopropyl group. This is called isopropyl chloride. This is called secondary alkyl halide. It is the secondary alkyl halide. One more hydrogen we can replace, that is CH3. This hydrogen also we can replace, that is CH3, CH3 and CH3Cl. Oh, look at here. Halogen attached carbon attached to 3 carbons, so it is said to be tertiary alkyl halide. It is tertiary alkyl halide. This tertiary alkyl halide naming, first of all, IUPAC name, you have to select the longest chain. I am selecting this longest chain. So it is 1, 2, 3. So second carbon having halogen, it is, and methyl group as the branches. So we can write 2 chloro, 2 methyl propane. What we can write it is as 2 chloro, 2 methyl propane, like we can write it is 2 chloro, 2 methyl propane. It is its IUPAC name. Then what is its common name? If you observe, only to this it is called isopropyl. Here carbon attached with the 3 halogens, and this is called neo group, and this is called neo. How many carbons we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a 4 carbons. So we can write it is as tertiary butyl bromide, like. Here it is secondary butyl chloride, and we can write it is as the neo means one more carbon is also should attach. So it we can call as the secondary. No, it is tertiary butyl chloride, like secondary butyl chloride. It is the second. It is the halogen attached carbon attached to the 2 carbons, like also we can take tertiary butyl bromide. It is called tertiary butyl bromide. And now if you replace this one, that is nothing but CH3, 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 CH2Cl. If you take like this, CH3, CH3, it comes under primary only, but the name of this compound is said to be neo. Name of this one is said to be neo group. The numbering will give like this: 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2 dimethyl chloropropane. 2, 2 dimethyl chloropropane. It is the IUPAC name, and common name is said to be neo. Total number of carbons: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl chloride. It is isopropyl, it is tertiary, and it is said to be neopentyl chloride. Carbon should attach with all the 4 carbons. Then to that halogen is attached. So it is said to be neo chloride. Neo 5 carbons are there, pentyl chloride. And I will give you some more list also. Some other compounds also we can write. Those names are very important. See here, CH2 double bond CH. So CH2 double bond CH2. CHCl3. Its common name is chloroform. Its IUPAC name is trichloromethane. IUPAC name is trichloromethane. Its IUPAC name is trichloromethane, like we can take not only CHCl3, we can take it is as the next one CCl4. Its name of this compound is called carbotetrachloride, carbon tetrachloride, and it is also known as tetrachloroethane. It is called carbon tetrachloride is the common name. Tetrachloromethane is the IUPAC name. tetrachloromethane is the IUPAC name. Even for the ring carbons also we can take it is ortho, meta, para like, while we can discuss with the aryl halides nomenclature. Here see it is called benzene, then it has only one halogen, so we can write it is as a chlorobenzene, or its name will be chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Next one, CH2Cl. If you are taking benzene attaching with the CH2Cl, then it is called, IUPAC name will be benzyl chloride. Its common name is benzyl chloride. Its common name is benzyl chloride, and its IUPAC name will be chlorophenylmethane, because it is the chlorophenyl, both are substituting on the CH2, so we can write its IUPAC name is chlorophenylmethane like. Its IUPAC name will be chlorophenylmethane. So it is some of the compounds nomenclature. Still this nomenclature we can study while the reactions are studying. I will give you the names of the compounds, like just it is the nomenclature, and our next part will be the methods of preparations. Next I will go to the methods of preparations. Just have a look over these compounds. This nomenclature we can write for the some more compounds also. Let us see some common compounds. So it is called tribromobenzene. We can write symmetrical tribromobenzene. Why we are calling symmetrical? It is its IUPAC name will be the 135 tribromobenzene, first carbon, third carbon, fifth carbon. IUPAC will be 135 tribromobenzene. And whereas come to its common name, it is called tribromobenzene, symmetrical tribromobenzene. Common name will be, we use the word instead of numbering, we use symmetrical tribromobenzene. And here one more thing, we should know what is ortho, meta and para positions for the benzene. Chlorine we are taking, only one chlorine is present, so we can name it as any, like its positions I'll write first 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it can be chlorobenzene or one chlorobenzene. But here if you take one chlorine is there, one more chlorine I am substituting, so it is said to be dihalo derivatives. So two chlorines are present over here. So here IUPAC name is considered 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can say 2 chloro, second position in 2 chlorine is there, so we can write 1, 2 dichloro. It's IUPAC name I am writing 1, 2 dichlorobenzene. But whereas come to the common name, here we represent with the positions. That positions is nothing but with respect to this first chlorine, this position is said to be ortho, and with respect to this carbon, this side, this position is also called ortho position, and with respect to one third position in the common name is said to be meta position, and it is also meta position, and with respect to this one fourth position is called para position. So it is ortho, meta, para positions with respect to one compound. Another compound is substituting on the second, then that is called ortho position. Another substituent at third one is called meta. Another substituent at the fourth position is called ortho, meta, para position. Like so, we can write this compound in a common name is orthochloro. Ortho dichlorobenzene. So we can write it is as ortho, two chlorines are present, so dichlorobenzene instead of 1 comma 2. That ortho is nothing but two chlorines are at ortho position, like so ortho dichlorobenzene, like we can write dichlorobenzene. So it is a just nomenclature. The next one I will go to the methods of preparations. Methods of preparations of alkyl halides we can see.